new iPhone 16 Galaxy S24. Wow. So guys, welcome back to iFix Tech. Today we have the new iPhone 16. This one is the Pro version, and I'm gonna be showing my first impression on this one. It's not a lot of editing on this video, it's just me showing the new phone. And at first, as you can see on the box, I like the way iPhone build their presentation box. It has like a nice shape, which pretty much represent the phone. This is the black version on this one, and as you can see, the box looks cool. I mean, why will I say the box looks cool on this one? Well, if you go to the iPhone, the Galaxy S24, I don't know, what do you think? Let me know down in the comment which one looks better. This one is like a more minimalist design. It just the design of the phone here with the Samsung is all black, where iPhone goes like, you know, they go for the whole phone. By the way, this is the size of the phone, so this is something that can help you know the size that's going to be in the phone. Let's open the box and see how it looks. All right. And you see, wow, I mean, I like it. See, it's like what you see in the box is not actually what you're gonna get. The phone is really nice. Inside, Apple, you know, we don't have more brick charger. We have only the USB-C, which is now the new charging port for this one. There is no more stickers, no more Apple stickers. So we just go for the phone. Let's see how it looks. You tell me, what do you think? The phone itself looks nice. You can see it's like a matte, black matte, which is really cool. I mean, it doesn't leave any fingerprint. Here we see the button, the power button, main button. This is a new thing added by iPhone, which is the camera control button. They don't want to call it a button, but most people will call it a button. And if you click it, it feels like a button. Here we have also the volume buttons, and going to the camera, the way it looks, I like it. Most people will say yes, it looks like all the iPhones. There is no change. I don't know, you tell me. Like, for example, this is the iPhone XR, and it was released, I believe, in 2018. And you tell me how different it looks. I'll say not much. This is the Plus version, of course. This is way bigger, have some difference, but I don't know if I'm one of those people that will say, oh, that a new updated phone should look way different, because what I think is that's what made Apple, you know, this is what it makes iPhone an iPhone, the way they looks. They will update some stuff, like from cameras, location stuff, the way it looks, like minimal changes, but don't expect a lot of changes. Don't expect a lot. This is what made iPhone an iPhone. Looking at the size of the phone, see, here are the speakers. Let me try to make this more clear. Speakers, USB-C port, and the two little screws that you never remove if you're gonna open the phone. And let's turn it on. Let's go right away on and see what we get. Let's see how fast it will go to the main menu. Right, I did pause the video, but it was really quick. So, in order to see some of the function, I'm gonna have to set this one up. Right, there will be so many cool setups that you should do before getting to the main screen.
Okay, once the phone is up and you do all the initial setup, you will find many cool stuff. I like the phone. I like the way it looks. I like the screen. It looks so bright. It looks so nice. And me myself, I'm not an iPhone fan. Actually, I'm going for Android, but I like the way they build this phone. Again, this is the iPhone 16 Plus version. Something that I don't like of the phone, I will show you right now. Maybe because of the way they build the phone, you will find out. You see the camera, how big it is. You will find out this. The phone really wobbles a lot. But I'm pretty sure that you're gonna use it with a case. So once you add a case to the phone, that should be you shouldn't be seeing this issue anymore. And testing the camera button right here. When you press it, you will see the camera comes right away, and you can use this button actually to use the camera. Let's try. You have to kind of feel, it's like press it a little bit. I know if you hard press, it's gonna take a photo, but if you press, let me see, okay, another photo. How do you get this phone to work? All right, I got it. You gotta, kind of, you won't press hard. Just put the finger on top. You just do just a little bit of pressure, and you should be able to get the activated. As you can see, you can do zoom and many other stuff. The camera itself is nice. You can see the zoom all the way out. And if you hard press, again, no hard press, just put the finger a little bit and you should be able to have all the options. Let me see if I can get it work. Oh no, you press twice, and then you can change all the functions of the camera. So I'm not going in a lot of details about the phone, specification. This was just to show the way the phone looks and just main stuff on the phone, like the main changes. And I think I like it. I'm not again an iPhone Apple people at all, but I think I like the way they build this one. So I've been using it for about a week now, and everything on the phone looks good. They now offer what they call Apple Intelligence, which is not in the phone at all. So basically they promise Apple Intelligence, which is I will say the new AI for Apple, but none of that stuff is on the phone yet. But they promise they will be available later, maybe on other updates. So this is my review on this iPhone 16 Plus. I'll see you in the next video.